In this video, I will share with you step-by-step information and instruction how to design a 2-bedroom house with the easy space planner tool. Anyone can design their own blueprint for their dream house. To design my 2-bedroom house plan, I'm using the Chief Architect software. I'm using the Space Builder feature. The Space Builder feature is very quick and easy for beginners or anyone who are using this program. The main good thing about the Space Builder option, they are preset with what the measurement of a room should be, and you can always adjust things to your likes. So if you know nothing about measurement, the Space Builder option is what would be very easy for you, so you can move things around. So wherever you'd want your room to be, or bathroom or whatever, you use that. After you place the blocks, the Space Builder blocks where you want them, then you would draw your foundation marginal line around and between these to get the real look of what it really look like, and then you look upon it from a 3D point of view. Very quick and easy. Then you click on, see, here's your 3D view of the different layer adds your, this is now I'm adding the windows. So that's why you have it now I'm adding the doors. This is very quick and easy program to use. Within minutes you get a 3D view of what your dream house should look like. So this is really a quick, see the floor plan view with the windows, measurement and dimension. You can print all these things on a letter size paper. Now what I'm doing now, I'll be coloring. The building does have the default color, so I will be adding my color, what I want my building to look like within a quick time. So there you go, that's a pink look, and look on it from the 3B. So now what I will be doing, I will be coloring the rooms and building space to whatever color I wish to use, and you can use any color of your desire. So any color you want to use, you can use to do your building design. So this program is very flexible and user friendly. So as you can see, I'm selecting the colors I want. So I put some in what's that, a blue or green, put some space in white. So you see I'm putting some in yellow. So this program is very easy to use, and you can look at your building at real time. So take a look. So this is it now. I will be adjusting the window at the back. This is the back of the building. I'm putting a door. It's very easy. So you can add the things to the building from a 3D point of view, or you can do it on the floor plan. So whatever best for you or easier for you, you just do what you want to do. It's very flexible. There's no restriction to what you want to do. So you just know I'm adding the roof to the building. The roof is have this feature where you automatic place the roof. Yes, so if you know about the program, you can automatic do the roof, so you know there's a roof. So if you don't like this roof, you can go and adjust it. If you want it to be a flat roof, anything you want it to do. If you want it to have more angle, you just adjust it. So this is inside the building. So this is one of the room with the yellow. So inside nice and clean. This is my next view with the green or blue. I don't know what this color really is. So this program is really a fun program. So these are other spaces with the gray, the white. This is the section of white. So this is inside. So it gives you an inside view, real time, real look, feeling like, see what your you would want your home to be like. So I love this program, and I guess anyone using this program love this program. It's fun. Reality to fun. Because normally you would have to get your building up, and then when it complete before you would see what it's really like. Now you can use this program, get real-time view. So what I'm just simply saying, anyone can design the house, because with the space planner, it already know the dimension of what a room should be, the bathroom should be. So all you have to do is place them in the position you would like them to be. So whatever you want the house to design, you just put the rooms and the living room wherever you want it, and look on it from a 3D point of view. Color it in the color you would like your home to be, look on it. So you can do all of these things in real-time view, and in the future you know exactly what you want, because you see your building before you start to spend your first dollar. So I guess this is a good program, very great program. So if you think this video is interesting or educational, it is highly appreciated to leave a like, press the notification bell to see more video like this, share, leave a comment. This helps me to motivate me to do more video like this. So I think this program is a great program and help a lot to see what you can be done without spending a dollar.